So good morning students. Today we will discuss about the complement of a set. So what is complement of a set? Suppose we have a universal set U and a subset of U is a A. So complement of a set is denoted by A dash or AC, and it is defined by X such that X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A, which simply meaning the difference of universal to A is denoted by A to the power C or A complement. Even I can express in terms of Venn diagram. Suppose I have a universal set U and its subset A. So from the definition of complement of a set, the shaded portion which I am going to shade is represented by A complement, and this is my universal set and this is my subset. From the observation, it is clear observed that if any element is belongs to A, it does not belongs to its complement. This is a vital point. In similar way, if any element belongs to its complement, it does not belongs to its set. So please keep in your mind. This is the meaning of complement of a set. The simply U minus A. Subtract from its universal set. Okay. What are the properties of complement set? Okay, let me list. The first property is the complement of a set and its whole complement is always obtained a original set. Second, the complement of phi is U. This is very simple. U minus phi always give U. The third one, the complement of universal set will be a phi. It's very simple. U minus U will give a phi. And the fourth one is A union B intersection is whole complement equals to A complement union B complement, and A union B whole complement will be A complement intersection B complement. These two laws are called De Morgan laws. These two laws are called De Morgan laws. It's very important, both not in field of sets but other branch of mathematics. So please memorize all the important results. Okay, if anybody is too eager to prove the given De Morgan law, so as I earlier mentioned in our previous lecture, two sets will be equal if both the sets are subset to each other. So if I am going to prove A intersection B dash equals to A dash for complement and B dash, let me take X is any arbitrary element belongs to A intersection B complement. So by the definition, it does not belongs to A intersection B, which means X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. This simply meaning if X does not belongs to A, X must belongs to its complement, or X must belongs to its complement B, if X belongs to A or X belongs to a B, which means X belongs to its union, which implies that A intersection B complement is a subset of A complement union B complement. This is my first equation. Similar way I will prove A complement union B complement also a subset of A intersection B complement. This is my second equation. So from the above two equations I can say that A union B complement equals to A. This is the first result of De Morgan law. The next topic is application of a set. This is my universal set U and a set A and another set B. So number of element in A equals to A plus B. Number of element in set B equals to B plus C. Number of element in the intersection is B, and number of element its union A plus B plus C. So this is the information from the above diagram. Universal set A B. So logically, if you create any relation A plus B plus C, so I can write A union B equals to number of element in A plus number of element in B. Now if we'll add number of element in A, which means A plus B, and here A plus B plus C, and here B plus C. So from the above two results, from the right and left hand, there is one extra B. So we need to subtract one extra B, and the extra B value is minus n A intersection B. So such kind of adjustment create this formula. Such kind of adjustment, because now my RHS equal to my LHS. So n A union B equals to number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. And similar you can apply for three sets. If you have a three given set, these are how many region? 1, 2, 3, 4 region, because we are taking two sets. 2 to the power 2 equals to 4 region. If I am dealing with three sets, then the number of region will be 8. 7 region between the sets, and the 8th region, the remaining part of a universal set. So for this I can just write a formula: A union B union C equals to number of element in A plus number of element in B plus number of element in C minus cyclic number of element A union B minus number of element B union C minus number of element A intersection C, and plus n A intersection B intersection D. This is the formula for three sets. Even you can prove by the same logic and try to solve or try to prove this.